Are you tired of slow websites? Turbo Theme transforms your site into a lightning-fast experience that captivates users. With an incredible 25 sections and 6 stunning presets, Turbo Theme is built to impress. Choose from various eye-catching styles like Portland, Dubai, and Florence, each crafted for impact. For just $425 USD, you gain access to all the powerful features Turbo has to offer. Don't let slow load times hinder your business. 40% of online shoppers abandon slow sites. Imagine pages loading in the blink of an eye, keeping your customers engaged and satisfied. High-impact visuals are essential, and Turbo excel in creating stunning homepage galleries and sliders. Customizable text and color settings ensure that your brand shines through every pixel. Turbo Theme isn't just popular. It's a favorite among Shopify experts and agencies for good reason. Ready to elevate your online store? Turbo Theme delivers performance and style like no other.